What's up, family? Welcome to Ddins Xperience. Here we do food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, if you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell to the bottom right. If you have any ideas or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Alright, so I know you guys seen the thumbnail. We do have a kitchen gadget review or a kitchen tool review, if you will. But however, before I show you the gadget, let me bring this on the table. Now, just by showing you this, do you know what the gadget is? If you do, please give me a like, okay? So, however, this is what I use to melt my chocolate. How you use it is, it's a nice little way to melt your chocolate without burning it, old school way, all right? You pour it halfway with some water. You take your mixing bowl. I have my stainless steel, whatever. You put your chocolate in here, and it melts your chocolate without burning it, okay? So, if you already think you know what this kitchen tool review is, go ahead and leave a comment in the section below, all right? Let me put this away. Okay. Now to the kitchen gadget review. This is what we have, family. This is our Betty Crocker mini chocolatier. Betty Crocker mini chocolatier. All right, let me see here. 0.7 quart capacity, removable ceramic crop. Perfect for melting chocolate and fondues, or for fondues. Ideal for sweet and savory dips and sauces. Pretty cool. I seen this the other day at the store and I'm like, I've never seen anything like this. It only comes in one size, so it's one of a kind of a warmer. Now this do look similar to a crock pot. So let's go ahead and open this up. We have our instructions. That's our lid. And by the way, I did find this at Rose's. You can get this on Amazon, I did see. They're not really expensive. I see it on Amazon for $31. I got mine from Rose's for I think $20. So the prices do vary. All right. Betty Crocker mini chocolate or chocolatier. So this is what it looks like, you guys. Looks like a mini crock pot, if you may. Pretty cute. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and read the instructions, okay? This is just an important notice for customer service. Anything you have any issues with it, give them a call. Alright. 2 different languages. I'm not sure what the other language is, but pretty cool. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and read the instructions, alright? I can have this out. Alright, boom. Alright, okay, so the first thing it tells us to do is to wash and rinse out the ceramic glass. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and do right now. So I'll catch you in a second. All right, family. So we went ahead, we washed our ceramic pot. It's very little, very easy to wash. Now, there's a couple things they did say. In the instructions, they said that when you first cook it for the first 10-15 minutes, you're gonna have a certain smell to it. That's because it's brand new, so don't be alarmed with that. And also, each time that after use, you do want to let it soak for about 30 minutes, okay? For whatever you're using it for. It shows here that you can use this on, broccolis, sauces. Good for Super Bowls and little parties like that. So, hey, there we have it. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna pour some chocolate in there. Our milk chocolate. Just gonna need a little bit. So while this take about 10 to 15 minutes to warm up, it did say it'll take about 15-20 minutes to warm up. So while this warm up, quick facts. Who is Betty Crocker? Betty Crocker is a brand and fictional character used in advertising companies for food and recipes. The character was originally created by the Washburn Crosby Company in 1921 following a contest in the Saturday Evening Post. Pretty cool. You learn something new every day. Alright family, so have you seen, you've seen a slow clip. It did take about 25 minutes for it to melt. So I'm gonna give it that amount of time. Using the old school method, it takes about 10-15 minutes. However, I did put about 2 cups in here, less than 300 milliliters. And we're gonna mix this up. It does get hot. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some in a bowl. It does get hot. Don't get mistaken, it is not a toy. It does get very hot. I burnt myself a couple of times. I don't know. I maybe because I looked at it and wasn't realizing it for it to be as hot as it was. But we're gonna go ahead and put some bowl here. Now, as you guys can see, after 25 minutes cooking, this is about the thickness that it get. I will say, if you want it smoother than that, go ahead and put a little bit of evaporated milk or milk in here. All right. Nonetheless, it did get it melted. We're gonna try some. I will say in this little machine or this little gadget, it is pretty cool. It'll turn the tables and bring something new to the Super Bowl parties, dinner parties, whatever. Now you can bring some melted chocolate and keep it at a nice warm pace. That's what I like about it. It keeps the temperature very warm, so you don't have to worry about going to the oven, turning the eye back on or off just to get melted chocolate. It keeps it at one steady pace and it keeps the chocolate warm. However, again, after 25 minutes, it's still kind of rough. This is the same chocolate I use that I put in my pan, and it gets chocolatier than that, if you guys understand what I'm saying. But however, it's a cool little gadget to have. So if you guys like this little gadget and you would like to have it, or if you guys like this gadget and you will put this into your repertoire, let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this little gadget, give me a thumbs up. Tell me if I did get a good find. Alright. Well, I want to say thank you again, you guys, for joining me today. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell to the bottom right and hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 1,000 Ddins. Until our next food adventure. Peace.